Wow, the weather is getting warmer.
You're right. I made a snowman last week and he melted yesterday.
It's okay. We can make a cookie.
What kind of cookie?
We can make a melted snowman cookie. Let's say it together.
We can make a melted snowman cookie. We'll need a cookie.
And snow. What can we use? Let's ask together.
What can we use? Let's use melted white chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. It's white and sweet.
We need a snowman head. Please ask, what can we use?
What can we use?
Let's use a fluffy marshmallow.
And delicious M&Ms for buttons.
And chocolate pens for arms. Let's start.
Let's make a snowman head. Please repeat. Let's make a snowman head.
My snowman is excited.
Excited to melt? Oh no!
Draw 2 eyes, a nose, and a smile. Please repeat. Draw 2 eyes, a nose, and a smile.
My snowman is sad.
He's sad winter is ending.
Draw 2 eyes, a nose, and a frown. Please repeat.
Draw 2 eyes, a nose, and a frown. Let's make bodies.
Put the cookies in the middle. Please repeat.
Put the cookies in the middle.
Squeeze melted white chocolate on the cookies. Please repeat.
Squeeze melted white chocolate on the cookies.
Wow, it's melted snow.
Oh no, our snowmen are melting.
Buttons. The buttons are melting down with the snow. Oh my gosh.
Head, body. Uh-oh, what are we missing? Please ask. What are we missing? Arms. We need 2 arms.
Let's draw arms.
Good job. We made a melted snowman.
No, we made 2 melted snowmen. Please repeat.
We made 2 melted snowmen.
Uh-oh, they're melting away.
Let's gather the snowmen
And eat them up.
Mwahaha.
Bye.
Bye.